I'm Bethany Williams, and I am a 2018 Knauss Fellow in NOAA's National Centers for Coastal Ocean Science. Their main goal is to provide a lot of research services for the National Ocean Service. A lot of times that center around spatial decision-making. So I worked on 4 main projects this year. First one is trying to understand how one of the national marine sanctuaries, Gray's Reef off the coast of Georgia, functions in connectivity of migratory fish along the U.S. coast. Then I also worked on a project in St. Croix, the U.S. Virgin Islands, looking at how fish are using the national park there, which is a sanctuary. So looking at how commercially and recreationally important fish use the protected area versus unprotected area outside of the sanctuary. I also worked on a project in the New York Bight, so off the coast of New York and New Jersey. And that was a project with BOEM, in partnership with BOEM, the Bureau of Ocean Energy Management. And we were looking at their proposed wind energy area and how that might impact the area ecologically. So we did a lot of habitat mapping in that area. And then the last project that I worked on is trying to understand where all the deep sea corals are on the US coasts. So that was a project where we were trying to predict where deep sea corals would be in the Gulf of Mexico. I didn't know that I was going to love it as much as I did. And I didn't know that I would come out with such a clear path forward. It's very clear now that I made the right decision in doing the fellowship and picking the office that I did, and then ultimately the career that I've chosen. This kind of confirmed everything that I thought I wanted by getting a taste of seeing how it all works. It's just been all the more confirmation that this is the right place for me to be.